Kindly take your seat.
New business. Item number
business.
1, first endorsement dated July 7, 2022 of the acting SP Secretary and acting head of the Tri-Mobile Task Force endorsing the application of Benjamin Ufemaria for the transfer of his
Committee
Tri-Mobile
on
franchise.
Transport.
Resolution number 5, Series of 2022 of the City Development Council conditionally approving the proposed comprehensive development plan 2022 to 2030 attached with a copy of the revised draft of the City Development Plan 2022 to 30.
Anong committee ni? Laws? Bakit dapat kita gabos yan? Okay, Honorable Rosales.
Still around when we had the CDP approved by the City Development Council. Perhaps we can ask the Planning Development Officer to discuss to us the salient parts of this comprehensive development plan.
Next session.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay, invite the City Development Officer to present the CDC next session.
Letter dated July 14, the same that of the City Mayor with respect to item number 4 and number 5. Approve.
Apro. Kay Honorable Del Castillo.
Comprehensive development plan. I believe every member of the council should be given a copy so that before the discussion on Tuesday, at least we have already gone over the
To your email,
development plan.
to your email account?
Yes.
O ano, hard copy? Hard copy?
Nasa email na.
Nasa
Okay.
email na kaya yan.
Pero baka pwede man na hard
duman
copy.
sa agenda.
Yeah. Hard copy man.
Hard copy,
Madam Chair.
tagabos, igwa. Okay,
All
hard.
members, Madam Chair.
Oh, sige. Draft pa lang kaya ni, pwede garo sa ano muna. Nasayang ang papel. Next item. Dahil na, may ano na lang muna. Pero si gusto magkuha, acknowledge the presence of our colleague of the City Administrator, Mr. Elmer Baldimoro. May ano ka, Mel? Okay, next item.
Undated letter of Mr. Glenn O. Cudillo, President of PATDOA, Pakul Tri-Mobile Drivers Operators Association, endorsing the
Committee on
application.
Transport.
Letter dated July 15, 2022 from His Honor the City Mayor requesting for passage of a resolution endorsing the purchase of one motor vehicle of the City Parks and Recreation facilities.
Committee on Appropriation.
Undated letter of Mr. Glenn O. Cudillo, same. President of PATDOA, endorsing the application
Committee
of
on Transport.
Letter dated July 18, 2022, of His Honor the City Mayor requesting for authority housing.
Committee on Housing. Honorable Del Rosario.
Pertaining doon sa duang letter, Madam Chair, sa PATDOA, no? For the information of our colleague, General Omar Benape, before the end of the 13th Sangguniang Panlungsod, Madam Chair, we approve 10 franchise, availability of 10 franchise duman sa Deca Bistanza. So siguro ining mga nag-a-apply na ni duman sa lugar na ito. So there are may open demand sir ng 10 for yung rotang iyan. Nagirumduman ko kay si concern ni General Omar.
Okay.
So siguro yun na ni si mga applicants duman sa Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Del Rosario. Take note, Honorable Benafe.
I would like Madam Chair to get a copy of the list from our Secretariat for those approved and those also that are
10B.
operating, and for the open franchises. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Benefit. Next item.
Letter dated July 18, 2022 of Mr. Frank M. Mendoza, Acting City Agriculturist, requesting for the passage of a resolution authorizing the city mayor to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources and the Department of Agriculture in connection with their Balik Sigla sa Ilog at Lawa project.
Agriculture.
Letter date the Barangay
San Francisco.
Barangay San Francisco Resolution number 2022-011 entitled Resolution earnestly requesting His Honor the City Mayor Nelson S. Ligacion
Committee on
to
Apro.
allocate.
Next.
Other matters.
Before we proceed to other matters, may we know kung may concerns eh. How is the weather down there? You're looking in. May ano ka? May the city administrator? Diyan na lang. Okay, next.
Other matters. Item number 1, DILG Provincial Memorandum Circular number 2022-01 issued on July 12, 2022 relative to the election of Philippine Councilors League Provincial Federation Council Officers for the term 2022 to 2025.
Okay, noted. Honorable Del Castillo.
Our calendar of business. But we are not participating in the election of provincial
provincial, oo.
PCL officials, Madam.
Sa regional day, ma'am.
Dahil kita nagbabali sa... We are an independent and separate chapter, Madam Chair.
Okay. So we just take note. Next item.
DILG advisory on the guidelines in the implementation of the 2022 program for the newly elected officials issued on July 12, 2022.
Okay, noted, but give a copy to the newly elected officials. Next item.
Nominal voting.
Honorable Del Castillo.
Resolutions and ordinances be transferred to nominal voting.
Any second? Okay,
And
approved.
move to
Next
approve the
item.
same.
Okay, session adjourned.
Move to adjourn, Madam Chair.
Session adjourned. Okay. Good morning. 10, 11.